Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an exam the day before. When you have only one day, it's crucial to be strategic. Start by identifying the most important topics and concepts that are likely to appear on the exam. Don't try to learn everything new. Instead, focus on reviewing your existing notes, summaries, and any practice questions you have. Prioritize understanding the core ideas over rote memorization. To make the most of your limited time, employ active recall. This means testing yourself on the material rather than just passively rereading it. Try to explain concepts in your own words, perhaps even aloud, as if you're teaching someone else. This process helps solidify your understanding. Also, quickly identify your weakest areas and dedicate a bit more time to them, but don't get bogged down. Your study environment and mindset are critical. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate fully. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Staying hydrated is important, and getting adequate rest the night before the exam is absolutely essential for optimal performance. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep. On exam day, arrive early to avoid any last-minute stress and ensure you have all necessary materials like pens, pencils, or a calculator. Before you begin answering, take a moment to read all instructions carefully. This helps you understand what's expected. During the exam, manage your time wisely. Don't spend too long on one question. If stuck, move on and return later if time permits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.